Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'll be telling you about how the Spotify Premium Drawer works. All right, it's very easy. So guys, if you want to learn about the Spotify Premium Drawer, all you have to do is to just click on Explore Premium at the top right corner of your screen, and then you see all the Spotify plans that are available. I think about 5, all right, or 4. Yeah, 4. So these are the available plans on Spotify. So there is Premium Individual, there is Premium Drawer, there is Premium Family, and there is Premium Students. And also there is the free plan, right? Okay, so for the Premium Drawer, as you can see, there's nothing much about the Premium Drawer. So if you actually want to learn about it, just come over here and you are going to see some detailed information about the Premium Drawer. So these are what the packages that the Premium Drawer comes with. So if you get the Premium Drawer, you'll be able to add 2 premium accounts to your plan, and you can cancel at any time. You can cancel the subscription at any time, and finally you get 15 hours / month of listening time from other audiobooks subscriber catalog. So just like that guys, so this is basically all about the Premium Drawer. So nothing much. And also, as you can see, the price is $14, but this actually depends on your country. I think this is the second to the highest plan on Spotify. So the highest is the Premium Family, which is $16.99. Okay, and for the Premium Drawer is just $14.99. But this actually depends on your currency. So for your local currency, it would be cheaper than this. Okay, so that's just it about the Premium Drawer. So if you want to subscribe to this, you can click on Get Premium, and then that's all. So if you want to learn about how you can actually subscribe to Premium Drawer, add accounts to your Premium Drawer after you must have subscribed to Premium Drawer, and also how you can remove any accounts from your Premium Drawer, I'll add the video to that at the end screen of this one so you can watch and learn. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.